The virtual currency revolution is here and is growing fast. It is even bigger than the birth of the internet, 1,000 times bigger. This is the new gold rush. It is a business opportunity 100 years in the making. It is a new revolution that improves the quality of life of 7 billion people, making it a trend of the trend. Gemcoin is growing exponentially, and there are millions of Gemcoin users around the world today. Because Gemcoin possesses countless economical and societal advantages, it has the 3 key ingredients necessary for it to be recognized as a true virtual currency: mobile, global, and trusted. It is a mobile, global, and trusted virtual currency that lets you send money to anyone, anywhere, anytime, and as easy as sending an SMS. Gemcoin is secured and trusted because it is the first and only virtual currency in the world that has an intrinsic value backed by precious rare gemstones owned by AFG's gemstone mines located around the world, thereby giving Gemcoin an intrinsic value that is stable and appreciative. In fact, the usage of Gemcoin as virtual currency for the purchase of goods and services has been legalized by the state of California, USA, via Assembly Bill AB 129 that was approved on the 28th of June 2014. Amber is in great demand today, as it has been for thousands of years, because the gleaming yellow gold hue of amber is one of nature's wonders and one which has been sought after and admired for centuries by retailers, collectors, and consumers. Over the past 10 years, the value of amber has regularly outstripped that of gold, making it a perfect platform to keep Gemcoin's intrinsic value stable, letting you spend your money freely and securely. So there's no doubt that Gemcoin will be a successful virtual currency, overtaking the success of Bitcoin. Gemcoin was officially issued to the public in the US on the 1st of September 2014 at the price of 5 cents. Back in 2009, the starting price of Bitcoin was 6 cents and reached its highest peak at $1,242, more than 20,000 times higher than its initial value. Gemcoin is issued by the US FIA Currency Fund, a multinational corporation headquartered in Arcadia City, California. It is an organization fully owned, supported, and backed by Alliance Financial Group, or AFG, a multinational jewelry corporation founded in Delaware, USA, in 2002 with its head office based in Los Angeles, USA. AFG is primarily involved in gem mining, jewelry design, and processing of AMMINE branded world-class jewelries. Other investments of AFG are in Real Estate Investment Fund, REIT, Real Estate Mines, Gemstone, Auction House, Biotechnology, Information Technology, and Aerospace Industries. AFG possesses more than $50 billion worth of assets all around the world, with more than 2,000 business associates. AFG owns many gemstone mines all around the world, including the unique copper pectolite mine and rhodochrosite mines in Argentina, and the mines at Alval, Dominican Republic, where a 30,000 square meter mine produces 2/3 of the world's rarest and world-class amber and has since produced over 1 billion grams of high-quality amber. AFG is also the organizer of the prestigious annual AMN International Jewelry Queen, attended by international renowned personalities. Gemcoin is creating a new economic paradigm and is setting a new standard for transparency and consumer protection that will define the future of the financial services industry. Gemcoin provides you with a fast and easy way to take your business and social networking to the next level. Gemcoin is a strong currency that excels its high level of security and appreciable value.